What's wrong with you guys? You look like those people in Oprah who find out their houses are built with radioactive bricks or something. That's a joke, Mom and Dad. You can laugh at that.
Billy, how well do you know Reverend Carpenter?
Andrew? Oh, you guys find out, didn't you?
What?
About the community center. Look, I know you specifically told me to stay away from there, and I've been going back a bunch of times. But if you just see
Billy,
it's not...
we don't care about that.
You don't care?
No, that doesn't matter.
Wait, it doesn't matter?
What we are concerned with here is Reverend Carpenter.
What do you mean?
Is he... I mean, has he made you feel uncomfortable?
No, Andrew's a great guy.
But has he made any suggestions to you?
What are you talking about?
Billy, has the Reverend tried to touch you in any way?
I still don't see what you're talking about.
What we're talking about is, has Reverend Carpenter ever made any improper advances?
Only at chess, Dad. No, Andrew's never done or said
You call him Andrew?
Yeah, look, what's going on here? This is crazy. I mean, has anybody said anything about Andrew? I mean, well, Reverend Carpenter? Or about me?
Look, you keep saying that Reverend Carpenter didn't do anything. Are you sure?
Yes. Who's been telling you guys this stuff?
Let's just drop the whole thing. Billy, you're slouching.
Look, son. It's common knowledge that there are men who, like other men, they can't help themselves.
They're perverts.
Well, yes. But if you're ever approached by one, if anyone tries to get physical with you, obviously you get away. But you've got to remember, they're sick people. They should be pitied. Okay, enough unpleasantness. Let's get back to more pressing issues. How was your game with Alana? You get that kink out of your backhand yet?
Billy, why don't you go change out of those dirty things? You really shouldn't be dressed like that in here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry.
Billy?
What?
What happened?
Nothing.
With your parents? You know, what did they say about the way you're dressed?
Not much.
Not much?
No.
Come on. Billy, you look just about as sick as when you hit that cat with your bike. Come on, tell me, what happened?
Nothing. Yeah. Something's going to. I can feel it.
Wait a minute, what do you mean? What are you talking about?
I remember this time. We had a swim meet in Norristown, and we won by 2 points, but that's not what I'm trying to tell you. We went to this diner afterwards on the way home, and there were these two guys there. They weren't doing anything, but I had this gut feeling that something bad was going to happen. 2 minutes later, they pulled out knives and robbed the place. Alana, I got that same feeling now. Something's coming. Something bad.